Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and let's look at the PC sales for the third quarter of this year. PC sales are accelerating, and it is a healthy growth going on. It seems that Windows 10 move to Windows 11 is really pushing a lot of people and enterprise into going to buy new PCs. And this is something that has always happened. Every time there was a new version of Windows, people do change their PCs. The number of people that will use extended updates, there will be, but it's a small number compared to the number of people that are actually going to buy PCs out there. It is something that had always happened. Yeah, unfortunately for the e-waste, it's not a good thing, but PC makers are probably very happy. So IDC has these numbers. I'll share this page if you want to read more on the page of the shipments. So in the third quarter 25, you have over 75.9 million PCs that are sold. So these are the shipments, and these are the top 5 companies selling computers right now. And so their market share, of course, Lenovo is top, HP second, Dell number 3, Apple number 4, and Asus number 5. It's interesting because Acer was at some point, I believe, in the top 5, and now Asus seems to be gaining. So the growth for the PC makers is interesting, as it shows that year over year, Lenovo 17.3% rise in PC sales. This is good. HP 10.7, Dell has 2.6 growth. That's smaller. Apple 13.7% growth. This is interesting because this is a big growth for Apple, and that reminds me that there are possibly some Windows 10 users that, with the bad rap of Windows 11, have decided that they might want to go to buy a Mac computer. I wouldn't be surprised there is a number there that people moving from Windows to Mac. Asus 11.4% growth year over year, and others, which is all the other makers like Acer and so on that sell PCs, all of that 3% growth. The average for the total is 9.4% growth year over year. So this is really good numbers, and IDC does say that they expect 2026 to be also a growing year as more people will be moving on to a new computer. So this shows that new Windows versions makes PC sales grow. That has always happened. It's still true in 2025. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.